Welcome. So today, we will going to introduce you to physics. Physics is the science that explains how the world around us works. It focuses on matter, energy, and motion, and the forces that affects them. It also guides the technology we use today and help us understand the universe around us. Physics help us understand the everyday things like falling objects, moving cars, and electricity.
Today, let's talk about kinematics. Kinematics is a branch of physics that describes how objects move. Kinematics focuses on four key areas: displacement, velocity, acceleration, and time. Displacement, which tells us how far an object moves from its starting point. Velocity, which describes how fast and in what direction it moves. Acceleration, which measures how its speed changes over time. And time, which ties all together. By using kinematic equation, we can predict an object's future position, speed, or motion pattern. An example of kinematics are falling stone, a speeding motorcycle. Kinematics help us understand motion without worrying about forces behind it.
Hello everyone. We will talk about equilibrium. A seesaw looks simple, but it teaches a powerful idea. When one side is heavier, the gravity pulls it down, just like this. So as you can see, the differences. The seesaw tips because the forces are in balance. But when the weight on both sides and their distance from the middle are the same, something changes. This balance called rotational equilibrium. Both sides moves because the turning forces cancel each other. A seesaw stays steady when forces are equal, plus equilibrium in action.
So today, we're going to talk all about force and motion. So what is force? Force is a push or pull that can make an object move, stop, change direction, or change shape. So what is motion? Motion is the change in the position of an object over time. If something is moving from one another place, it is in motion. Fun fact! Did you know that the strongest force in your body is the force from your jaw muscles when you bite? For example, pushing a door. If you push the door and apply force to it, the door opens.
What's the difference between heat and temperature? Temperature is the speed of molecules, the average legal. Heat is the total energy transferred. A small cup of boiling water has high temperature, but the vast ocean has infinitely more total heat. This matter for the sea. Ocean currents are driven by these temperature differences, pushing vast amount of heat around the globe. This powerful heat transfer dictates shipping routes, marine life, and global weather.